What's up out there, everybody? Just finally got the complete series of Yellowstone today. I've I've yet to watch this show. I've yet to really know anything about it, rather besides what I've seen on YouTube. But yeah, went around and snagged this up. I was like, couldn't take it anymore. I'm gonna finally watch this. It's pretty pricey too, if I might ask. But yeah, all 5 seasons, all 53 episodes, and like I said, I've seen clips on YouTube from this, and oh, by the way, these are some other movies I picked up today. Don't mind those, but yeah, we are gonna unbox this bad boy. Do all this one-handed, but yeah, like I said, pretty pricey, but let's unbox this bad boy. But yeah, kind of like how they did the Walking Dead case years ago, or Sons of Anarchy, how they do it now, but oh yeah, it's one of them deals. Got them all. So wow, okay. So we got season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4. And we got season. Well, there's season. Huh. That's weird. There's disc 4, but then there's. What, they packaged up? Okay, 1. Oh, I see it. They got them stacked like on each other. Okay, but yeah, it's kind of weird, but it's a pretty cool set though. Still, like I said, I know the show's old and everybody probably out there knows about this show by now, but I only know what I've seen on YouTube, and yeah, I'm gonna get into binge watching this bad boy. So there you go. Here's my Yellowstone unboxing, the complete series, and and yeah, like I said, a few other movies I got today. I got a Cannonball Run, Bullet, Crazies, the Bourne trilogy, and the Dirty Harry collection, which I've never had before. This I found at a local flea market, and yeah, all 5 movies. Paid $5 for that, and these ones I scored up for like $1. Cannonball Run, Bullet, Crazies, and Bourne trilogy. But the main thing I was glad to get today was to get Yellowstone, and I'm gonna dive into this bad boy. And yeah, sorry, that's my dog over there chewing on a bottle. But yeah, there you go, people. Have a good day.